Hello and welcome to today's myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial. And today we're going to count the first 5 multiples of different values. And so on to question 1. Now the first thing we need to realise what multiples are. And the most common mistake I see in the classroom is mixing up multiples and factors. Now, multiples multiply and factors fit into the number. So they are almost complete opposites. But try and remember this part. The F and the F and the M and the M. So factors fit, multiples multiply. And also think of multi-packs of chocolate bars that we buy in the shop, for example. So we can buy a chocolate bar in a pack of 4. So we could buy 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Probably not very good for us, but they give an idea of how we can count in 4s. And so today we're going to focus on multiples. So on to question 1, which is 6. Now, we want the first 5 multiples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the first multiple is 1 lot of 6, which is 6. Then we have 2 lots of 6, which is 12. 3 lots of 6, which is 18. 4 lots of 6, which is 24. And finally, 5 lots of 6, which is 30. And don't forget that sequence continues forever, but we're just looking for the first 5. And next we're on to question 2, and this time we're going to be looking for the first 5 multiples of 7. So again, let's draw our box, and we're going to start off with 1 lot of 7 is 7, 2 lots of 7 is 14, 3 lots of 7 is 21, 4 lots of 7 is 28, and 5 lots of 7, 35. And what we can clearly see is how important our times tables are for this. So don't forget to keep on top of your times tables, and don't forget to visit our TT38 section to help you with that each day. And next we're on to question 3, and this time we're going to look for the first 5 multiples of the number 9. So again, if we pretend we're going to be buying 5 multi-packs. Each multi-pack contains 9 chocolate bars. So the first pack will give us 9 chocolate bars. If I was to buy 2 packs, it would be 18. 3 multi-packs would be 27. 4 multi-packs would be 36. And finally, that 5th pack would give us 45. And finally we're on to question 4, and this time we are going to count up in multiples of 25, and this time we could look at it as adding up in blocks of 25. So my first block would be 25, add another 25 would be 50, add another 25 would be 75, add another 25 would be 100, and our 5th block of 25 will give us 125. So each of these values are multiples of 25, counting up in 25s. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.